everyone, this is Taiki, and today you're gonna learn kara particle. There are three usages of kara. First one is going to be indicator of a place something happens or source. Give you an example. アニメは7時から8時までです。アニメは7時から8時までです。アニメは7時から8時までです。アニメ、7時、7 o'clock から from, so this is indicating the origin of an action. 8時、8まで until 2. Anime is 7 from 7 to 8. I will talk about まで in a future video, more in detail. But in this case, think of it as to, as in from something to something. アメリカから来ました。アメリカから来ました。来ました came から from アメリカ USA アメリカから来ました。彼女から本を借りました。本を借りました。から this one is girlfriend. If you study Japanese sometime, you might know 彼女 means she also. You have to guess by the context. If I'm talking about, for example, Gwen, and if she's not my girlfriend, I'm using she. But if you know I have a girlfriend, and I'm just talking about 彼女, this is going to be girlfriend. So let's suppose this one is girlfriend this time. から from 本 book を is a particle 借りました borrowed. I borrowed a book from a girlfriend. I borrowed a book from my girlfriend. 酒は米から作る。酒は米から作る。Again, let's locate から here. Rice 米 rice. 酒 alcohol or sake. We make sake from rice. We make sake from rice. Think of this kara as from. That is number one. Number two, it is going to be after. Since an event, you have to use te form in order to use this usage. If you want to learn about te form, it's up here somewhere. You can check it out. 食べてから遊んで。食べてから遊んで here. And you see te form, eat. So after eating, play. 食べてから遊んで please play after eating. Now, maybe you're talking to your child. Your child hasn't finished eating, but he starts playing, just like me. You see, after eating, do something. And this de is a te form, meaning you're asking someone to do something. You're asking someone to play after eating. Now, here are two te forms in this sentence. Try not to confuse them. 起きてからコーヒーを飲む。起きてからコーヒーを飲む。起きてから here, locate that one. 起きて is a te form of wake up. 起きる. So after waking up, コーヒー is coffee. を飲む drink. So after waking up, drink coffee. 起きてからコーヒーを飲む。This lesson, I write hiragana without English alphabet. This is something you can do on your free time. So what I can say, ひらがなを覚えてから見てください。ひらがな these letters. お is object particle. 覚えて here. から now it's modifying. After 覚えて is a te form of 覚える which is to memorize. 見てください。Please watch. After memorizing ひらがな please watch. Watch after memorizing hiragana. It sometimes helps if you read from backwards. Please watch after memorizing hiragana. Just a tip. Now the last one is going to be because and so, indicating a reason for doing something. Give you an example. 眠いから寝ます here. 眠い sleepy. Since I'm sleepy, I'll go to sleep. Sleepy. 眠いから寝ます。寒いからコートを羽織ります。寒いからコートを羽織ります。寒い cold. コート is cold. 羽織ります is a specific verb for someone you would put on to add some layers. If you use t-shirt with 羽織ります it doesn't work. You already wear something and you wear it on top. Wear on top. And you can only use this for tops. You don't use that for pants or trousers. No. This is a specific word that you can use. You can say ジャンパーを羽織ります。ジャケットを羽織ります。コートを羽織ります。カーディガンを羽織ります。Now, this one, hat, you would use かぶります。かぶります。ハットをかぶります。For pants, you would say 履きます。ジーンズを履きます。寒い、眠い, those are both いい adjective. For non-adjectives and nouns, you would use だから。静か だから。静かだから。Because it's quiet. You see, it's an adjective. だから。先生だから。だ here, 先生 is a noun. Teacher だから。Because teacher. Because I'm a teacher. You can just end it with から depending on the sentence. どうして学校に行かなかったの? So your teacher A or your mother A asks you どうして学校に行かなかったの? Why school に to as in go to 行かなかった No is a kind of a question mark particle. Didn't go. Why didn't you go to school? And you say 風邪をひいたから。風邪 is cold like flu. おひいた is a very specific word for cold. You only use for cold. It's very specific, meaning catch. So I call it a flu. I call it cold. This is a very specific one. You can only use it for 風邪. You don't use for fever. You don't use for diarrhea. You don't use for any other symptoms. You only use for cold. Anyway, here, から, right? Emphasizing から. ひいた, which is I caught. から. You're just ending with から. That's fine. Because I caught a cold. That's fine. So fill out the answer here. So let's say you're very tired. Person A asks, どうして疲れたの? Why tired? Why are you tired? Whatever your answer might be. Just think for a second. Why are you tired? My answer, 運動したから。運動したから。Because I worked out. I exercised. 運動した。する past tense した and 運動 is exercising. Some verbs are like this, okay? This is do, did, and this is a noun, right? Some verbs like 運動する 勉強する 観察する observe. You have noun and do. So some verbs are very, very simple. If you just remember do, conjugation of do. In this case, 運動する is a conjugation, so you just have to change する which is do to した past tense. 運動したから Now, what's going on here? 運動したから疲れた is hidden here. I got tired. I'm tired. After から But since it's here, A is already asking you, why are you tired? You don't have to say, I'm tired because I worked out. You can just say, because I worked out. You see, it's already introduced what we were talking about. Now, thank you so much for watching. から just have 3 usages, so it's not as confusing as other things like o or ni. Ni is very, very confusing. And if you want more of these videos, feel free to leave a comment. If you want me to cover any topic in Japanese, it can be like cultural thing if you are interested in Japan, in culture, or like grammatical points like this. Just feel free to let me know. Please subscribe. If you want to have a private one-on-one lesson with me online, the link is in the description below. You have a 30% off coupon, and I'll see you in the next one.